Now we are going to take a look on how to use the multimeter to verify the functioning of a transistor. So we are going to turn the knob, the permutator, to HFE. That's the HFE. Yes, we are in the HFE mode, as you can see. We can also turn it to the diode mode, or what can we say, the continuity mode. Yes, to verify a transistor. There's another mode in between that HF and diode mode. We can also use it. See the waveform, and that is how you measure or you verify if a transistor is functioning normally. Thank you.